Why do GHG emissions need to be managed, and which activities contribute to emissions? Without naturally occurring greenhouse gases, the Earth would be a much colder place, a place where humans would not be able to survive. But the additional greenhouse gases added by human activities are slowly increasing the average temperature of the Earth's system to a point where we are seeing negative side effects, and in the long run may mean the Earth is uninhabitable. This growing store of greenhouse gases is leading to extremes in our weather and may change the climate in the long term. Summers are becoming hotter and droughts are longer and drier. The oceans are becoming more acidic. Sea levels are rising as glaciers melt and the warmer water expands. It is important to manage GHG emissions to counter these effects, not only for individuals and families, but also for corporations. Like any industry, palm oil production also produces GHGs. The activities that release GHGs are cultivation of oil palm plantations on peatlands. Peatlands are wet ecosystems that contain high amounts of carbon. Clearance of peat exposes the soil surface to sunlight and oxygen. This will trigger the breakdown of the peat soil, releasing GHGs. Emissions from palm oil mill effluent. During the milling process, wastewater is produced, also referred to as POME. The wastewater is heavily polluted with biodegradable organic material. Palm oil mill effluent is sent to conventional ponding for treatment. Conventional ponds are open ponds, that is, not covered. Breakdown of microorganisms releases GHGs into the atmosphere. Change in land use. The development of palm oil plantation contributes to the removal of originally present land cover. Change in land cover can result in either sequestration or emissions depending on the carbon stock of the land cover change. Emissions related to the use of fertilizers. For example, transport of fertilizers due to the use of fossil fuels, application of nitrogen fertilizers emitting nitrous oxide, which has 298 times the global warming potential than carbon dioxide, according to the United States Environmental Protection Agency. Emissions resulting from the use of fuels during the palm oil production, transport of fresh fruit bunches to mill, transport of fertilizer and materials to the field, transport of empty fruit bunch and compost. RSPO acknowledges the challenges in dealing with GHGs through implementing the P&C to its RSPO members. In order for us to keep our Earth healthy and give it a long life, GHG emissions need to be managed and, if possible, reduced. How this can be done will be covered in the next video.